For years I walked in darkness blind. The pain so deep it shook my mind. I wondered if I should arise. And then I saw the light divine. That moment changed my destiny. A miracle set my soul free. Reborn in faith, I stand so strong. My Savior